Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So it was pretty much a muted day yesterday, very low volumes as well, and then all of a sudden this morning, Bank of Japan announces a bond buying back program. So that's what triggered this move at the moment. So up until that noise, there was complete confusion still. Tails to the upside, tails to the downside. We do have a crossover now. We are getting below the 155, so the upward trend is starting to be reversed. Obviously, I want to see a pullback and rejection before I commit to that. So that we start looking on the 3 hour, we can see we've got a confirmation of, well, not really a confirmation, but we do have moving average crossover, but we never really got a retest of structure, and at the moment that structure is there. So 3 hour chart is pretty simple. We're looking for rejection of 14,200 for a continuation to the downside. At the moment, we need to just get down to the lower time frames because that's where the action is right now. And you can see yesterday, I mean, I popped into the charts in the middle of the day, and when I saw this, I just switched everything off, because when you start seeing tails like this, there's never any real good direction. And you can see what they were doing is they were selling off the swing low here. So they were trying to push it up and trying to reject that. Trend was down, oscillators all over the place, not offering anything. And now this morning, we've had this big move to the downside. Now, have a look at this on the 15 minutes. You can see that level, at our level, is not really the one to pay attention to. This 15-minute level was the level to watch, and that'd be right here by the 155. But as I said yesterday, when you're between the moving averages like this, I tend to just leave it alone, because normally it just continues sideways or it breaks in the opposite direction to what you're anticipating. So that's exactly what happened. I was anticipating a break to the upside because of the moving averages crossover. So logic's always break the 155, retest, and then it moves. That's why I gave you the levels to the upside. It needs to break those and retest it before it becomes longs. And then we basically didn't get going at all. This morning, I can't really trade this. Pointless jumping in here. Volumes are extremely low. But what you do need to do is pay attention to this area here. And that is 13,900 or 13,911. You want to see if price rejects this area, then there is definitely another visit to the bottom here, where we are now, 13,763. The story for the long stays the same. You need to get above, it's just a little bit different now, you need to get above this one here, which is 13,961, and you will also have a little bit of a problem up here. But this is a 1 hour level, that's a 15-minute level, so get above this. Ideally you want to get above this, break through this, come back and test this level, 13,961. That sets up potential longs. But for me this morning, it's short. You're looking for a rejection of 13,911. Might surprise you as well and just reject here. But I think this area of chaos here is probably more likely to materialize. So there's tails. So 13,911 or 13,926. That was what I would be looking for. Pull back into that area, rejection, looking for price action there, which is inside bars, engulfing bars, or pin bars, and we're looking for a revisit down here to 13,760. Anyway, that's kind of my view today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Chats for now.